Alright guys, so here we go. We've got the phone in my house. We've got the easycellular.ca. That is the store or the site that you can buy this device if you live in BC, or even if you are in Canada. I think you can do an online order for any of the devices that they have in store. So if you're interested, go check them out. The link will be down in the description below, and also I'll put the address as well. So let's open this up and see what you get inside the box. And baboom, here it is guys, here it is. Let's open it up. Huawei P20 Pro. It's got a Kirin 970, 6GB of RAM, 120, I think it's 120, yeah, maybe 120. And of course, you got that 40 megapixel front back camera and a 4000 milliamp battery. So it's got a pretty beefy spec, guys. So here it is, guys. Wow, look at that. So I decided to go for the black color. The blue one was an extra $50, and the other color, the what is that other one? I can't remember the other color. The one that you guys always see on YouTube, that one is, I think, another $100 extra for that. But anyways, I went for the black color. I think the black color looks nice. And okay, let's check what else we have inside the box here. You got your injector pin right there. You've got a silicone case, which is nice. It's a see-through silicone case, which I definitely need. Okay, you've got your instruction manual. Comes with an earphone right there, your Type-C cable, and you've got a dongle connector here for your audio jack. Oh wow, I didn't even know that the P20 doesn't have an audio jack. Okay, and of course you got your power brick right here, which you need the adapter. Okay, just plug it in like that and you are ready to go. All right, so let's turn on the device itself over here. Let's remove all this plastic protector. Oh, as you can see, it already comes with a screen protector, which is nice. And then let's peel the back here. Wow, look at that beauty, guys. That is such a beautiful phone. Wow, amazing. Wow, very, very nice. So you've got your camera right on front. On the side, you got the SIM tray. This one I have here, it's a dual SIM tray. At the bottom, you got your Type-C speaker. I don't know if this is dual speaker. And on the right side, you've got your volume rocker and your power on and off switch. And then of course your back camera, you've got your 40 megapixel, your standard, and you got your zoom. I think it's 8 megapixel, and you got the monochrome. I don't know, I'm not too sure how many megapixel the monochrome is. I think it's 8, I'm not too sure. But anyways, that's what it looks like. It looks really, really nice, guys. So let me just grab my Note 8 here. Here is my Note 8. As you can see, the Note 8 is still slightly bigger. Width-wise, they're pretty much similar. But look at that. Look at that, guys. The P20 just shines. Very, very good looking device. Okay, and let's see what's power it on. Let's see here. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. It's nice and bright. Let me see. Let's max it up. See how bright it can go. Wow, that is really, really bright. Okay, so the first thing I usually do is get rid of animation. Where do I go with the animation here? System. Let's try to figure it out. Where's the animation? Let's go through the camera here. Just a quick glance of the camera. You got your Pro. So this is the one where you can do manual setting, I guess. Auto white balance. Exposure. Okay. And there it is. And there is your awesome notch right on top right there, guys. Such a beautiful notch. I don't know how to get the top part all blacked out, but I'll try to figure it out once I get familiarized with this device. So right now I think it is running the latest software here. Let me see. Yep, 8.1.10. I don't know if that is the latest right now, but yeah. Okay, what else is there? All right, so I'm just gonna play around with this and try to get familiarized with it before we get started with the speed test. But other than that, guys, my first impression with this device, it looks really, really nice. It is pretty quick. The way it looks really good. It looks amazing. And I think I'm gonna remove the screen protector here, guys. I just wanna have that nice clean look. Oh, what is that? Disable, do not cover. Huh. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna remove the screen protector since we're gonna do a speed test. I don't want any interference when I press the screen button, which might cause a delay when I do a speed test. So I'm gonna just remove this screen protector so that it's a even playing ground for both devices. That will definitely interfere when I do a speed test. And here it is. Now we got nice and clean, fresh look. Okay, there you go. So that's my unboxing, guys, on the P20 Pro. I will be making more videos about this device. I will do a speed test, camera test, and of course I'm going to be testing this out on my gimbals just to see what kind of performance it will give us when it is mounted on the gimbal. So once again, thank you for watching. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.